Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus review. Is this the best budget smartphone yet? The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus has emerged as one of the key players among budget smartphones in 2025 by offering top-notch specs and a modest price. The device arrived as part of Infinix's efforts to target cost-conscious consumers in India, presenting features that normally sit atop flagships. Accessible on websites such as Flipkart and Infinix's official website, the Note 50 Pro Plus is aimed at tech-savvy individuals who want performance without spending a fortune. With the date being March 5, 2025, this article delves into the device's features under separate subheadings, determining if it is indeed a powerhouse within its segment. Design and display, streamlined aesthetics combined with colorful visuals. Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus comes with a sleek design and is just 6.8 mm thick, as thin as most top-of-the-line smartphones in its segment. The dual-tone matte-finished back panel provides a high-end feel, and titanium gray and dreamy purple hues appeal to individual tastes. The 6.78-inch AMOLED screen rules the floor with full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. TV Rhineland-certified low blue light emission screen reduces eye fatigue, while the 1300 nit peak brightness keeps things visible under the sun. Coupled with a 360 Hz touch sampling rate, the display pleases gamers and multimedia users equally with its seamless scrolling and vivid hues. Performance. Power under the hood. The MediaTek Helio G100 processor is at the heart of the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus, a chipset designed for heavy gaming and multitasking. Coupled with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, the phone handles resource-intensive applications effortlessly. Benchmark tests identify performance comparable to mid-rangers, which remains stable even under prolonged use. Powered by Android 14 with XOS 14.5, the software experience is smooth, although pre-installed bloatware needs to be removed manually. The TV SD Fluency certification, with a guarantee of 5 years of lag-free use, lends weight to its claims of longevity, making it a good option for price-conscious buyers. Camera capabilities. Photography on a budget. The camera configuration on the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus features a 50MP main sensor, supported by a 2MP depth sensor and a filler lens. Though the triple camera setup implies versatility, only the primary shooter provides consistent output. There is an AI eraser feature for removing unwanted objects from photos, though its accuracy is inconsistent. For everyday photographers, this configuration is sufficient, although it lags behind competing mid-range phones with ultra-wide-angle lenses. Battery and charging. Longevity meets ease. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is driven by a 5,000 mAh battery, providing more than a day of use under normal circumstances. Tests show almost 14 hours of constant use in performance mode, with video playback extending up to 23 hours. 33W fast charging allows the battery to be fully charged in more than an hour, while it delivers 42% capacity in 30 minutes, perfect for rapid top-ups. Coupled with an IP54 rating against water splashes and dust, the longevity also makes it suitable for daily usage. When compared to its ancestors, such as the Note 40 Pro Plus, whose charging speeds were faster, the Note 50 Pro Plus achieves a sufficient balance of time and speed. Value proposition. Is it worth the investment? At the price range of 15,999 Indian rupees, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is fighting fiercely in the budget segment in India. Bank offers exchange discounts on sites like Flipkart, lowering prices even more, making it an attractive offer. Compared to others such as the Redmi Note 14 Pro and Poco M7 Pro 5G, it manages to compete on the back of a better screen and narrow design, if slightly, without the support for 5G, an important gap in 2025. Missing the ultra-wide lens and bouts of software bloat may repel some buyers, but the bigger picture delivers enough bang for your buck. Free EMI payments spread across 9 months is an attractive offering that lightens the purse for many. Conclusion. A budget frontrunner. Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus makes the perfect companion for anyone with concerns for aesthetics, performance, and battery, and has no generous budget. Stylish looks, a colorful AMOLED screen, and long-lasting battery life swamp poor low-light camera performance and missing 5G support. For Indian consumers on the lookout for a feature-rich phone within 20,000 Indian rupees, this phone must be in the running. Imperfections aside, its positives point to a class-leading monster in its segment that will appeal to 2025 consumers interested in value. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you just watched, please drop your comment and do not forget to like this video. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Simmyideas Tech Hub on X and Facebook. For the latest videos on gadgets and tech, subscribe to our YouTube channel.